Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about why Venmo is not letting me use my card. This is a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and I wanted to take some time to answer it for you. Have you ever tried to use Venmo to pay for something, only to find that your card was declined? If so, you're not alone. Venmo can be a great way to send and receive money, but it can also be frustrating if you're having trouble using it. Before we get into the reasons why Venmo might not be letting you use your card, let's take a quick look at how Venmo works. Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment platform that allows you to send and receive money to friends and family. You can also use Venmo to pay for goods and services from businesses. In order to use Venmo, you need to link a bank account or debit card to your account. Once you've done that, you can add money to your Venmo balance or use your card to make payments. Now that we have a basic understanding of how Venmo works, let's get into the reasons why your card might be declined. Your card is not eligible for use with Venmo. Some cards, such as prepaid cards or business cards, are not eligible for use with Venmo. If your card is not eligible, you will need to link a different card to your Venmo account. Your card has been declined by your bank. Your bank may have declined your transaction because it is suspicious or because it violates your bank's terms of service. If your card has been declined by your bank, you will need to contact your bank to find out why. Your Venmo account is not verified. In order to use Venmo to send or receive more than $500 in a day, you need to verify your identity. If your account is not verified, you will not be able to use your card to make payments. There is a problem with your Venmo account. There may be a technical issue with your Venmo account that is preventing you from using your card. If you are having trouble using your card, you can contact Venmo customer support for help. If you are having trouble using your card with Venmo, there are a few things you can do to troubleshoot the problem. First, make sure that your card is eligible for use with Venmo. If it is, contact your bank to find out why your transaction has been declined. If your card is not eligible or if you are having trouble with your Venmo account, you can contact Venmo customer support for help. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Venmo, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe. And be sure to check back soon for more videos from me. If you are having trouble using your card with Venmo, what are some things you can do to troubleshoot the problem? You can find more information about Venmo on their website, https://venmo.com. You can also contact Venmo customer support by phone or email. Phone 1-855-936-6660. Email address removed. I hope this script is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.